Hello and welcome. I'll be showing you how to take apart an Xbox 360 for cleaning. Step number one, you're going to take off the faceplate. You're going to grab your fingers. You're going to grab your fingers in here and you're going to pull up. And you have two hands, not three hands. If I had a phone stand, I'd show you guys how to do it. But it's pretty simple. Just put your fingers in there and you pull the faceplate off. Stick your fingers in that hole right there, and you just yank it off and it comes off. Now this one's never been opened, so that's fine. Then I'm gonna just put the console over, and you're gonna see these 5 holes, up to 7 holes. You're gonna take your pick. It could be a paper clip, but I suggest like a dental pick. Something really pointy. This console is dead, so I don't care about it really. But if you want, get like the correct tool, get it off like eBay or Amazon for like $3. But I only have a pick because mine broke. Okay, you're gonna jam it in there. Hear a click, and you're gonna go to the next one. The next one. Okay, good. The next one. Okay, good. Next one. Okay, good. They're all loose now. Okay. I'm gonna do it to this side. We stuck our pick in there. Got it all loose now. Good. Do it to these 2 holes. That's 1. That's 2. Now we should be able to just pull off the bottom piece. Give me a second. Forgot we have to take out these pieces, and they're not that hard to find. It's just gonna keep poking your tool now. There's one in the middle here, up here, and back here. Just take your pick, put it through, and you should be able to get it. Give me a second to do that. Got one of them off. Of course, you guys won't be ripping it off. But I'll be putting new ones on anyway. Then go to the other side. These 2 up here, you could just pull this off because there's no other way to get these clips without like ripping this up. Then you look for the hole. See holes right here. And just push through, pull up to release, do it to the other side, keep finding the holes. Yep, you can see where they were, like that. You can take a picture, go ahead so you can remember where it is, like that. Slots for them, slots on this one too. Mostly in the middles. They're like 3 inches apart each. Then it's time to pop these clips, one right here, here, and down here. Now this doesn't matter anymore because either you're cleaning the console or you're fixing it because there's a red ring of death. You're going to be cutting this either way. If you want to preserve this logo, take like a heat gun or a hairdryer and you just go at it until it's nice and soft, and then you just open it. Give me a moment while I do this. once you pull all 3 clips off, there's this little one down here. It's really annoying. So you have to like push it up when you're pulling. Then you get it all off. That should just come off like that. I might clean this, preserve the case, put it down there. And what you could use is a flathead screwdriver if it's like small enough. I don't know if this one will work. Test it. Nope. But what I could say is you could use a T9 or T8 security bit screwdriver. Get like a pack of these off eBay for $3 or $4. It's like a pack of 6. Then we mark the screw holes we're going at. The main ones we're going at is the one right there, one right here, this one over here, that one right there, this one here, and yeah, that's it. Just going at those 6. That's the main ones, really. What you're gonna do. So my friend Matthew said he only got to this stage, but then he couldn't do anything else, which is normal. I couldn't do it either. Early when I was younger. Hard to do it with one hand. Getting the support ones out, the long bolts. These ones that I didn't mark, they're just hold the motherboard in place and everything else. So you just, unless you're like doing a full rebuild on the console, you only need to take these out. That's it. See, my bits of plastic off the case broke off, and it's completely fine with me. This case sucks. It's old. It's a 2006 Xbox 360. Original Xenon one. It has the 0102 error, which is the GPU, but I'm just teaching you guys how to open up your console and take it apart. And clean it. This is like for every fat Xbox 360 model, because the Slims and the E are different. I can do a video on those later when I get one. That needs to be taken apart and cleaned. Mostly set. What we gotta do now is take off this eject button. It just pops off like that. There's little clips right here for it. Clips in. Then what we gotta do is we gotta flip the console over. And all you gotta do is just pull up. Just like that. Now you can access your console. Gotta do any maintenance, your disk drive, your heat sinks, your, well, this projects the air going to the heat sinks. But if you need to take that down, just take one of these picks, just put it in there. Doesn't matter, here you go. Yeah, if you take this off, you have access to the fan. You can take out the fan, disk drive, heatsink, get all the capacitors. This is your RF board. Sometimes, if your console has no power, this is what causes it. Most of the times, it's a blown capacitor. I might take off these capacitors and put on my other Xenon. Who cares? But, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's this. is your power cable, this one. And then that's your SATA for reading your games. And yeah. And if you just play the video backwards, if you need to put it back together, or I can make a part 2. Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching, and you can use any kind of soap when cleaning these pieces. Those down there, it doesn't matter. You can pop off the metal cover if you don't want it to rust, if you're using like soap and water or other chemicals. But these clean up really well if you use a magic eraser. So yeah. Well, thank you for watching, and thanks. Goodbye.